Good morning, all. Welcome to our pre-market outlook. First of all, let me start with a brief review. The last day, Indian indices ended flat after a choppy trading session. The market opened a gap up, taking the positive cues from the US data. The last day, the US home sales data rose 2.91%, which was unexpected and again above the estimates. The data rose to an annual adjusted figure of 4.79 million against 4.69 million. So that data provided some positive cues to the market, and the market remained in that winning streak up to the European market opening. But after the European market opening, the market witnessed a major selling pressure in the second half. That means after the afternoon trade. The major negative cues from the European market was that Moody, the rating agency, downgraded France government's bond rating to AA minus from AAA, citing that the country's fiscal deficit is not going to recover very soon. So that negative data reflected in the indices across the globe, and Indian market also witnessed a major selling pressure. The market crashed up to 5548 range, but again recovered to the adjusted closing level of 5571, which was the previous day's closing level. That's why we can say that the market entered absolutely flat. But the trend, Indian automobile companies witnessed a major buying interest. The last day, M&M, Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, everything rose more than 3%. The M&M rose more than 3%, which was the highest, which was the major gainer in the Nifty pack. We have a fundamental buy call with a revised target of more than 1000, and we have a technical call in Maruti Suzuki with a target of 1520 range. So we are advising our investors to carry forward the position with these target levels in mind. The major reason behind the rally in the automobile sector is that many of the market participants are expecting a better sales data in this month because of this Diwali sales boosted. Today's outlook. Tracking the global market, we can expect a positive opening, but the trading will be highly volatile with various data. The major trigger in the Indian market is that winter section of the parliament is going to start tomorrow. So that is a major trigger and will provide some cues to the market. Unlike the monsoon session of the parliament, market participants are expecting the policy reforms which is yet to be implemented and yet to be receive the parliamentary approval, so we can the market expects that this approval will be taken in this parliamentary section. The monsoon section of the parliament was almost washed out of 20 business days. 14 washed out ahead of because of the Colgate issues. So this session is very crucial for the market, and if the policy reforms and policy actions will be implemented, it will give positive triggers and cheers to the market. And the US market providing some negative actions amid better than expected home sales data. The last day, Bernanke said that the countries doesn't have enough financial pool to solve the fiscal cliff if it were implemented in January. So that is the negative concern which is prevailing in the overseas market. And the tracking of the European market also is very crucial. After the European market opening, we can expect a direction in the market. If it opens again negatively, that will be reflected in the Indian market. And as I told you, that parliament section and expectations is very crucial. The last few days, the investors are taking a cautious move, and market is really witnessing a lacking of aggressive buying ahead of this parliament section. In the technical chart, we can see that the continuous doji patterns in the chart which shows that the uncertainty in the market. So the market is waiting for the triggers, the fresh triggers to move or to take any direction. Technically, as I told you, that 5,530 and 5,500 range is acting as a major support for the Nifty, and once we get a pullback from this range, it will move up to 5,600 range. But despite a pullback, we need a convincing close above 5,630 to say that the market is recovering and the market is again coming to the positive trend. Otherwise, this intermediary correction will be going on up to 5,450 levels if it is 5,500 level is not holding. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice trading day to all of you.